Hello.
Hello. Hi, how you been?
Hi. I'm good. How are you?
I am fantastic, ma'am.
Good. What's your name?
My name is Brijesh Yadav. I am from India.
Yeah, nice. I'm Victoria and I'm from the United States. My state is Indiana. Do you know Indiana?
No, I don't know.
Many people don't know. So I usually picture here. I'll share my screen with you. It's in the northeast of the United States.
Yeah, actually, rarely I heard this name. Otherwise, I know about New York, Texas, and Colorado. Yeah, I read about that. Yeah.
Nice. Good, good. And over here is pretty popular. Yeah, good job.
Yeah.
Awesome. So, how long have you been using Cambly?
Recently, I have been using Cambly just for a week, but before 2 years, I was using Cambly during lockdown for speaking English. And again, I want to brush up on my English, so I joined it again.
Okay, nice. How do you usually study on Cambly with lessons or casual conversation?
Recently, I am using Cambly every day, but sorry, I can't see you. What happened?
Oh, no. Um, hmm. Let's try reloading. Just a second. Hey, can you see me now?
Yeah, yeah, I can
Okay,
see right now.
good, good, good. So do you like doing lessons on Cambly or casual conversation?
Just I would like to casual conversation. So
Okay, awesome. Uh, how are you doing today? How was your weekend?
it was fantastic, and whenever I get time, so I just keep thinking how to deal with the native speaker, and when I talked with any native speaker, it feels like ants in my pants, a little bit nervous. So.
Yeah.
Whenever I get time, I just be prepared for face any native speaker. Yeah,
Yeah. I am practicing Spanish, and when I have a class in Spanish, I always like, ooh, so nervous. So I understand the ants in the pants. I like
so
that idiom. Very good.
yeah. Mostly, I like to use phrase in my conversation, but rarely I could do it. Otherwise, I just go with basic English.
Okay, okay. So what did you do over the weekend?
Uh, in the weekend, I was roaming with my friend, with my relatives, and I do nothing much in this time because I have completed post graduation in English. So I just roaming. I work in my field with my family sometime, and whenever I get time, I spend my time with my friends. Yeah,
Yeah.
that's what I did in this weekend.
Ah, that's nice. It's nice to spend time with friends and family. Very cool. Um, so what are you going to do this coming weekend? Do you know yet?
As always, I think that in upcoming days I must do something harder, something special for learn a new skill. Like I always think that I do work out a lot for my fitness, and I will translate a lot of pages in English, and I learn a lot of new things, but when it's come to do it, I just postponed it. So I know it's not good things for me, but I am working on it. So I will make my schedule for this week, and I will do something good. I hope.
Oh, nice. Learning something new. That's awesome. Good for you. Um, do you have something in mind that you want to learn specifically?
Yeah, I want to ask you that if I have to propose someone, then what can be rather than I love you? Do you have any specific word for that?
Can you repeat the question?
Yeah, I am saying that what can be the place of I love you? If I want to propose anyone in new version, do you have any sentence?
Okay. So a phrase to replace I love you. Um, hmm. I don't know. I don't think there's I love you. Let's see what Google says.
Yeah, actually, I just sometimes I don't know when, but I saw it on Google, but I don't remember. So I want just I wanted to clear this air that if you are a native speaker, so if you have any specific word for that, it will be pleasure. But otherwise, it's okay.
Yeah, I think there's I love you. Oh, this website. Oh, so I'll share my screen with you so you can see it too. Um, I love you. Love you so much. Love you a lot. I love you forever. Like that. Um,
So I want to know that
oh, I hope I shared the right screen with you.
you are not visible.
You could also. Oh no. Uh, maybe I will become visible. What about now?
First time I am facing this
Uh,
issue that
uh,
so your
really?
first language
Hmm.
I want to know.
Say,
Yeah, I said that are you learning any second language?
are you there? Can you hear me?
Yeah, done. Thank you.
Mm-hmm. Okay, okay. Yeah, I could send this to you. These are good. Um, you could say about you. That's a cute way of saying to your wife or your girlfriend. You would not say that to your mom or your brother or sister. That would be weird. um, Uh, before you say "I love you" to your wife, or you might say "I have feelings for you," um, and then you would say eventually "I love you." This is a good one. I'm head over heels for you. Oh,
Yeah, it is.
head heels in love. Huh?
Yeah, it's look like advance because first time I see these sentences for proposing to anyone.
Yeah. I've fallen for you. I've fallen in love. Falling in love. You are the love of my life. It's cute. Yeah, all of these are just, these are for a significant other. Well, these two are good. Or friends. These
Yeah,
are for a significant other.
yeah, I can
Yeah, I'll
see
send you
a
this
lot of
website.
sentence for
These
proposing.
are all pretty good. Yeah. Students. Oh, this is a good one. Got you. It does not mean I love you. I've got a crush. I like you. Uh, and uh, you say that before you start dating a person. Oh, I do you have a crush on me? And then if they do, explain the others. I think
you have you have a lot of sentence.
I have a lot of sentences.
Yeah, I can see every sentences.
Awesome. Do you have any other questions? That was a good one.
I can't see you,
Do you have
so
any other?
I am think
Oh,
why
I'm
it's
sorry.
happening. Why it's
I'm not
happening
sure.
today?
I think it's my internet right now. For the past 2 days, it's been bad, so I will have to fix it. I'm sorry.
Yeah, I think so. By okay, it's okay
Yeah,
because I talk every day, so I didn't face like this problem. So that's why I
yeah,
asked. So
yeah. I'm
it's
sorry. Yeah,
it's okay. Don't say sorry because you cleared the air about how to propose anyone. So you have a lot of sentences, which is very expressive. And if I will say to anyone, then I think so, there must something extraordinary about me about these sentences.
yeah. Good, awesome. I'm glad you like them. It was nice to meet you today. Yeah. I enjoyed our conversation. I hope you have a good day.
Yeah,
Bye.
same here. Bye.
Bye.